Now we have been over the basics, how to create a 2D patrol AI. Today we're going to start working with the animations and how to control the player animation using the controller. So before we get started, make sure that our prefabs, our bomb prefab contain a bomb prefab as a bomb as a tag. So going back to our enemy script and f call.tag equal to bomb, what you're gonna do. First, we're gonna destroy our game object, our enemy, and 0.7 seconds. So now let's save, go back to Unity, and let's test. So our enemy should be automatically destroyed after 0.7 after the collision. Now go back to our player, so our enemy will open the animator and make sure how to spell and how you write the anime state. So go back to Unity and let's create a new animator. Call it anim. In the start function, we're gonna make an initialization. Anim equal to get component animator of our player. So now after we destroy our player, before we destroy our player, we're gonna play our animation. So anim dot set, and we're gonna set the type of our anim state. So integer. So now make sure that you write anim state the same way you did write it here, anim state. So anim state will be equal to 1. Make sure that this transition you make the last time, that anim state will be equal to 1 in order to visualize the death animator on our screen. Go back here, let's save our code, go back to Unity, and let's hit play. So after a collision, our player will play the animation of dying, then it will be automatically destroyed. So thanks for watching this tutorial. See you in the next video. Good night.